Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Friday and marks the last trading day of the week. So, before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today, by 2 p.m., Fed Chair Paul speaks. That's all we have today at 2 p.m. So let's watch what's going to happen, what it's going to say today, and how it is going to affect the market today. So let's go back to the chart. Yesterday, I couldn't really do Outlook because I was having poor network, even though I did the analysis, but I couldn't do the video recording, and the market was amazing. And I didn't try to take this buy, and I'm going to explain right now why I refuse to take this buy, because if I've taken, it would have hit my stop loss. Now, the reason I didn't take this buy was because as the market was dropping, I was expecting that this push, okay, this particular move will touch the zone and fly. But since it hung in the air and did not touch and it pushed back, how many pips? Let's check it out. Yeah, so it touched the zone. It didn't touch the zone. It hanged and went 80 pips. So this violates the zone. Okay? Yeah, according to my system, if a zone is missed by a few pips like this and goes, when it comes back to the same zone, it has already violated and it is no longer a zone for me. So I had to wait for the down zone. The market touched and gave us nice 210 pips, and that was massive. All right, so what is going to happen today? Let me clear the whole chart and let's go again. First of all, daily chart. Now, if you look at the daily chart, you can see clearly that yesterday, the reason why I was waiting for that buy was because of this. The bullish engulfing. You can see the bullish engulfing. And you can also see that the market respected this zone. I spoke about this. The market respected that zone, gave us a nice bullish engulfing. So yesterday I was waiting for the pullback, even right here. This was it. So if you check, you can see exactly where the market came to. All right. Yeah, so that was the reason for the buy. And if you go to H4, this is H4. So if you look at H4, you can see that that was a demand. It gave H4 rally base rally. So that was the base, right? That was the base. And the market went to test. It came here to test nicely and gave a beautiful buy. Right. Now, if you look at it, you can see clearly that the market went testing this H4 zone. I was having this zone as well, H4. And that is the reason why I was taking my profit there. So those of you who didn't understand why I put my TP there, this was the reason. So you can see that it came testing nicely and now it's giving a beautiful sell. So if I had taken the sell by now, that was also sweet money. So the question is, the market coming back to yesterday's buy zone, is it also going to buy or it's not going to buy? According to my system, second touch also has potentials to fly, but in this case, most of the time it doesn't hit TP. Okay. So for me to target that same 210 pips might not happen. And recently you can see that H4 has also given us a bearish engulfing. Even though the market tried to retest, but it didn't get there. and it started dropping. So what is really likely to happen today? For now, I will just observe the market. When it touches the yesterday's buy and gives us reasons to go into it again, we will go into the market and buy. But remember, with that particular buy, most of the times it doesn't hit TP. Okay, it doesn't hit TP. So if you are going to buy some, you should know exactly what to do. It means you will have to take partials and set break even. But if it is a good zone like yesterday's own, we don't take partials. I don't take partials. I don't set break even. I allow it either TP or SL. All right. So this is exactly what I'm expecting to see today. Now the same zone is still valid. And let's watch if the market is going to respect as it did yesterday for us to buy. And if you look at it clearly, you can see that it is likely to respect the candle here, the opening of the bullish candle, for it to go to, let's say, from 28 to 36 to 38 zone, like 100 pips movement. All right. That is where we are going to see if it's going to drop back or it's going to continue flying. And if it's dropping back, we still have another zone right there waiting. Okay. So guys, today is also Friday, and you know Fridays are mostly for manipulations. So just be on the sidelines and watch. If I get any clear setup, I'm going to share with you. All right. If you don't like the video, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment, like, and share. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. And until then, I will see you in the next video and have a nice day.